Hello and welcome to Herbalism for Beginners. If you've ever wanted to make herbal remedies and take charge of your health, well, this course is for you. My name is David Reyes and I'm a certified master herbalist. I am passionate about the healing power of herbs and teaching others. All throughout the world, there have been various herbal traditions and philosophies that have developed over time. Some take a more mystical approach and others are a lot more systematic. This course, however, is a comprehensive introduction to Western herbalism. So you will learn the basics of herbal history, botany, phytochemistry. You'll learn how to make tinctures and glycerites from scratch, as well as useful herbs for over 50 different health conditions organized by body system. In addition to this, we will discuss in detail over 65 different medicinal herbs and how to use them. Most important, however, is you will learn the essential concepts of formulating so you can customize herbal remedies for your own health needs and stop spending money on healthcare solutions that you're just not satisfied with. So check out the free previews, sign up today, and let's get started.